It's a new year and OnePlus is kicking it off with the global launch of the OnePlus 11, their new flagship smartphone. This phone is rocking a top-tier Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset with a sleek black hole-inspired design. So let's dive in and talk about the top features you need to know about the OnePlus 11, starting with this design. When it comes to design, the OnePlus 11 is all about standing out from the crowd. It's designed for those who want something different and something that showcases OnePlus's unique take on what a luxury piece of technology can be. The OnePlus 11 features a modern one-piece unibody design with a chromed out stainless steel camera module that adds to the overall look of the phone. But as we know, phones aren't just all about looks. The OnePlus 11's design is also about function. The engineers at OnePlus have put a lot of thought into making the phone as ergonomic as possible. The overall curvature of the device makes it easy to hold, and the Gorilla Glass Victus is carefully curved into the mid-frame and from the mid-frame to the phone's rear, making for an unobtrusive transition to the edges. Plus, the design removes any obtrusions from parting lines for one smooth and sleek backing. And the 0.16 degree curve is there for a reason. It serves as a rest area for your fingers while holding the phone horizontally. Design is all about making the phone feel great in your hand. Up next, let's talk performance. When it comes to performance, the OnePlus 11 doesn't disappoint. As I said, it's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 mobile platform, which brings a lot to the table. One of the standout features is hardware accelerated ray tracing, which adds a level of realism to gaming that's hard to beat. Plus, the Adreno GPU is 25% faster and 45% more power efficient, while the Cryo CPU improves performance by up to 35%. And the new microarchitecture allows for up to 40% more power efficiency. But the performance on this phone isn't just about the processor. The OnePlus 11 also comes with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and UFS 4.0 storage, which means better power efficiency, wider bandwidth, and improved read and write speeds. This allows the phone to keep up to 44 apps active in the background. Plus, the OnePlus 11 has an in-house machine learning technology called RAM-Vita, which optimizes RAM allocation for resource-heavy tasks and even reserves RAM for the camera app, ensuring a smooth camera experience. The OnePlus 11 is also equipped with a new Cryo-velocity cooling system, which has the largest vapor chamber area among the OnePlus 11 series and uses new crystalline graphene materials to improve heat dissipation. This helps to keep your phone running smoothly even during demanding tasks. Next, let's talk about this display. The OnePlus 11 5G boasts a stunning 6.7-inch 2K 120Hz Super Fluid AMOLED display that brings colors to life. With its ability to capture 10-bit photos and display over 1 billion colors, images are rendered with natural color transitions. The display also features LTPO 3.0 technology, which adapts the refresh rate and touch response to match the specific content being viewed. So for example, when reading an ebook, the refresh rate and touch response will drop to 1 Hz or 10 Hz for an optimal reading experience, while for gaming, it can be increased all the way up to 120 Hz for the maximum gameplay experience. Additionally, the OnePlus 11 5G is one of the first Android smartphones to be transformed by Dolby Vision. With Dolby Vision HDR, you can experience incredible brightness, contrast, color, and lifelike detail in your on-the-go entertainment. And with HDR10 Plus support on top of that, the display is able to set up color and brightness levels frame by frame for a more realistic picture for HDR10 Plus content as well. Now let's talk about the camera. The OnePlus 11 boasts a powerful camera that captures every moment in stunning detail. At the heart of the system is the 3rd generation Hasselblad camera for mobile, a triple camera system that includes a 50 megapixel main camera with a massive 1x1.56-inch sensor size and large f1.8 aperture, allowing for more light intake and sharper, brighter images. The main camera also features OIS for steady shots. In addition to the main camera, the OnePlus 11 also has a high-resolution, ultra-wide 48 megapixel sensor with a 1/2-inch sensor size, autofocus, and 115-degree field of view, making it perfect for capturing wide landscapes and large groups of people. The wide-angle lens also has HDR and macro photography capabilities. For portraits, the OnePlus 11 has a 32 megapixel portrait telephoto lens with autofocus, which allows for DSLR-like depth tracking and natural bokeh effects. The camera system has also been calibrated to Hasselblad's exacting standards, ensuring that colors are accurately reproduced, and natural. In addition to its impressive camera capabilities, the OnePlus 11 also offers a variety of features to enhance the photography experience. With Nightscape mode, you can capture stunning photos in low light environments with minimal noise and blur. The OnePlus 11 also has a Pro mode, which allows for manual controls and adjustments for professional level photography. The device also offers a wide range of filters and effects to enhance your photos, including the ability to add bokeh effects to your photos. The OnePlus 11 also has powerful video recording capabilities. With 4K resolution and high frame rates, you can capture smooth and detailed videos. The device also supports slow motion video recording and time-lapse, allowing for even more creative options. Additionally, it has a built-in video editor, which makes it easy to edit and share your videos right from the device. Next, let's talk about the battery. The 5,000 milliamp hour battery on the OnePlus 11 ensures that you have enough power to last throughout the day, even with heavy usage. The dual cell design with 2,500 milliamp hours each is designed to provide the best balance of power and performance. And one of the most impressive features is its 80-watt fast charging technology. This lets you charge the phone insanely fast. With Smart Rapid Charge, you can charge your phone to full battery status in just 27 minutes, which means you spend less time waiting for your phone to charge and more time using it. The OnePlus 11 also comes with the battery health engine, which is the result of 3 years of development. The BHE is designed to extend the lifespan of the battery and maintain its high charging speed. The smart battery health algorithm and battery healing technology work together to reduce damage to the anodes and cathodes, ensuring that your phone's battery stays in good health longer. This technology also helps to maintain the charging speed of the battery for longer periods of time. What do you think of the new OnePlus 11? Are you picking one up for yourself, or are you sticking with something else? Let me know in the comments below, and I will meet you there for further discussion. Thanks for watching as always, guys. I appreciate your support. I'm Andru Edwards, and I will catch you in the next video.